Hi dear,
Hi.
my name is Navandeep Kaur. I am a student nurse here and I want to know about yourself. And can you please tell me your full name?
My name is Gaganpreet.
Okay, how may I address you?
You can call me a Gagan.
Okay, so what is your date of birth?
My date of birth is 15 July 1995.
Okay, so are you comfortable with to communicate with me?
Yes, of course I will.
Okay, you're looking so worried. Can you please share the reason behind this?
Yes, actually I have a pain in my left
Mhm.
knee. I don't know why.
Okay.
I cannot move my leg properly.
Mhm.
So that's why I'm here.
Okay, so can you please tell me that what symptoms you are experiencing?
I have just a pain in my knee and
Okay,
it's like getting worse when I'm walking and climbing up the
okay.
stairs.
So it's bit difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how long has been?
Is from last 4 months. As I'm working as a caregiver, I think I hit myself with something,
Mm-hmm.
or either I used the wrong posture for
Okay.
lifting the client.
Okay, maybe it will be more worse because you are working now as a
Yes,
caregiver.
yes, I
Okay.
am.
So what? When did it actually worse?
So usually when actually I have my room upstairs and I have
Okay.
to climb up the stairs to go in my
Okay.
room, and if I'm walking for a long time, like
Okay.
I'm getting taking some kind of a heavy stuff, so my pain is getting worse and worse again.
Okay, maybe the reason behind this is heavy lifting and the stairs.
Yeah, it can be.
Yeah. Oh, so can you please tell me that what you are doing to reduce your suffering?
uh, for so far I'm just putting some kind of analgesic ointment on this and putting
Mm-hmm.
some bandage around my knee to reduce the pain at night, but it's like if I'm doing tonight it will be good
Mm-hmm.
by tomorrow, but again after one day it's
Okay.
going to have pain
So
again.
it means the pain relief is for the short time.
Yeah, it's a short time.
Okay. Can you please tell me more about your pain, that it is gradual or any kind of sudden?
um I think I'm experiencing this pain gradually. It's not
Mm-hmm.
like a kind of a sudden. Sometime when I'm walking, I feel like my knee is like stucking in
Okay.
between the
Oh,
joints.
okay. Okay.
So I think it's a gradual pain.
Okay. So can you describe what is like, or it's sharp or any other kind?
I'm not saying it's a sharp because it's the gradual.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm feeling pain little, and then it get worse.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is there any pain or discomfort associated with this suffering?
Yes, with this knee pain, I have some spasm in my calf
Hmm?
and on my thigh. So
Okay.
I'm feeling heavy in this
Okay.
leg. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Means and the problem is going worse.
yeah.
Because of one problem, you are facing too many issues.
Yes, so that's
Okay.
why I'm
Maybe
here.
you are feeling shortness of breath when you are walking.
No,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So this is not. So how sweet it is. I'm going to give you 0 to 10 number,
Mm.
in which 0 indicate no pain and 10 means severe pain.
Mm.
What number would you like to give for your pain?
For me, I think it's 6 or 7.
Okay, so it's too severe. Yeah, I can understand. Okay, as you told me about all the treatments you are done that for your pain, like application of analgesics and bandages and some ointments, what would you like to prefer, which is comfortable for you and you are going to do that? Any exercise is comfortable for you to reduce your pain or anything?
Truly said, I did not done any exercise
Mm-hmm.
because I don't have any time at home. I'm
Mm-hmm.
working 9 to 5, and then
Okay.
I have to do work at home too.
Mm-hmm.
So for the period for this period of time, I'm
Mm-hmm.
just putting analgesic ointment on my knee to reduce the pain.
Okay. I would like to suggest you some solutions for that. And
Okay.
which will hope so definitely work for you.
Okay.
And firstly, I want to say you that just reduce your mobility,
Okay.
work carefully. And I think it's snowy, icy outside because of snow and rain. So work carefully like a penguin. It will definitely work for you.
Yeah.
And I just want to suggest something like apply analgesics, but with the recommendation of your any physician.
Okay.
Okay, don't do the self medication
Okay.
like any tablets, and avoid heavy lifting.
Okay.
Like you can take a leave from your work for
But,
1 or 2 weeks.
you know, work is everything now. We need money for the
Yeah,
survival.
I can understand, but your health is mandatory first.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Yeah. And I will show you some exercise at the last of this session.
Okay.
It will definitely work for you, and you can practice that at home in the morning or in the evening time.
Okay.
Okay. Anything other you want to share with me?
No, I think this is the main problem I have been going through. And with this pain, you know, I cannot do that much work and cannot
I
earn
can-
that
I
money.
can see.
So
I
I
can
just
see.
want to
Okay.
get relief of this pain
Okay.
as soon as possible.
Okay. So if you will not feel a relief, then I recommend you to consult with any physiotherapist or any doctor. Like you can visit a physician which is nearby you and which will comfortable to you for visit. And if you have any other issue in between, you can call me anytime.
Okay.
And if you need me for the exercise, and then I will definitely come to you to guide you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, I will tell you about the next appointment with doctor
Okay.
if you need. And thanks for your time, and
Thank
thanks
you.
for sharing your problem.
Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Me too.
Thank you.
Bye bye.